Humility 1. In a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2029, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that a person will be raised in rank when they live with humility for the sake of Allah, the Exalted. This occurs as humility is an important aspect of servanthood to Allah, the Exalted. The opposite of humility, which is pride, only belongs to the Master, namely Allah, the Exalted, as everything which people possess was created and granted by Him. Understanding this reality ensures one avoids pride and instead shows humility by obeying Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience. This is true servanthood to Allah, the Exalted, and leads to true greatness in both worlds. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts, and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.